Get into a car with value. 2016 Chevrolet Trax. With less than 100,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle stands out from the rest. The Chevrolet Trax, the compact SUV that lets you navigate the urban landscape with efficiency and sporty style. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: keyless entry, electronic stability control, intermittent wipers, trip computer, power windows, bucket seats, power steering. Keep it simple, safe, and fun with the Trax. Drive it today.